Hi all, welcome back to GSM Tips. So I ordered this Samsung Galaxy A55 5G and I was going to unbox it here with you, but unfortunately my postman decided that as I wasn't home, he's going to leave it in my garden, and it started to rain, and this is what happened to the box and to the entire packaging. So the entire packaging was ruined. So now I'm going to check if the phone got wet or something, and we're going to do today, instead of unboxing, an initial setup to see a first impression. No, the phone looks okay. No water sign, which is good. At least the phone is saved, but the packaging and the box was completely damaged, and the packaging looked even worse. So let's start. Agree to all. Easy setup with another device. No, I'll set it up manually. I won't connect to Wi-Fi. I'll just skip this time. I won't copy any data. Next. Skip protection. Display mode doesn't matter. And we're all done. This is the phone. I'm going to make another video to see. It looks okay. It looks okay, but we will see that in one of the following videos. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.